Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm stir frying Vietnamese spinach with shrimp paste. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. This is Vietnamese spinach, also known as Malabar spinach. The leaves are much thicker than the regular spinach, and it also has a mild citrus pepper taste with a high water content. And when you overcook the leaves, it becomes a little slimy, similar to okra, because it has a viscous secretion that's a thick, gooey substance. And we have garlic, some Thai chili peppers, the seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, and this is the ground shrimp sauce. And this is going to add a nice flavor to the spinach. For the prep, let's start off with the chili peppers. Just top and seed it. And if you like it spicier, just leave the seeds in. Okay, we'll just slice it. Okay, and the garlic is already crushed, so we don't need to do anything with that. Next, let's trim the spinach. I'm going to remove the leaves. Just break the leaves in half here. And for the stems, I'm just gonna slice it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, have the pan set at a medium-high heat. Let's add oil, a generous amount. Put in the garlic. We'll add the stems. We'll add the paste and the leaves. We're only going to cook the leaves until they wilt. You don't want to overcook this. It can get too slimy. Seasoning salt. And Shaoxing wine. And as soon as all the leaves have wilted, turn the heat off. You just want to cook out the rawness. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. And here we have a wonderful plate of stir-fried Vietnamese spinach with shrimp paste. The shrimp paste gives it a really good punch of flavor, along with the little heat from the chili peppers. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Enjoy! Ooh, let's see if Shadow likes it. She loves eating her veggies. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.